You keep telling yourself, you'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow, when you're less tired. Tomorrow, when life feels easier. Tomorrow, when motivation magically appears. But the truth is, tomorrow never comes. Every day you wait, your body learns to settle, not for strength, but for comfort. And comfort feels good until it starts costing you your confidence. Your body is your real home. Every push-up, every drop of sweat, it's not punishment, it's gratitude. Gratitude for having another day, another chance to move. You don't need fancy gyms. You don't need perfect diets. You just need one decision. I'm done waiting for the perfect time. Because the perfect time is now. Start messy. Start tired. Start small, but start. 30 days from now, you'll feel different. 90 days from now, you'll look different. A year from now, you won't even recognize yourself. The hardest rep is the one you never do. So stop scrolling. Put the phone down. Do just one push-up right now. Then come back and tell me in the comments, how many push-ups did you do after watching this video? Because this time, you didn't wait for tomorrow. You started today.